Hi again, I'm back for another DIY. This time I'm gonna be making a DIY dupe for a makeup setting spray or a MAC Fix Plus. In this video, I used a Kokoryo cake foundation on my face. This Kokoryo makeup cake is very popular to makeup artists during pageants. This is very affordable. The coverage is very nice and it lasts long. On a separate video, I will upload a tutorial and review on this Kokoryo summer cake. I highly recommend this product, but the only downside on using this is it is very powdery. You will really need a setting spray. But setting sprays are so expensive. That's why I made this video in order not to defeat the purpose of using this product because of its cheap price. Now let's get started. First, you'll need to use this micellar water. I am using this because I don't want my setting spray to be mostly regular distilled water. This also has glycerin that makes makeup stick to it. Now, that is why this is a makeup remover, because once you put it in the cotton balls, it will make the makeup stick to the cotton balls. So in here, we use this on our face to make the product stick to our face. Next is glycerin. Now, I mentioned earlier that this will make the makeup stick to your face or wherever you put it. It is also a humectant that locks in moisture into your face. That is why it is commonly found in soaps or other moisturizers. And most of the setting sprays contains glycerin as an ingredient. That is why I put it in mine. The next ingredient is a toner that contains a chamomile and aloe vera extract. Most of the setting sprays or MAC Fix Plus contains chamomile extract. That is why I decided to put a little bit of toner. The next ingredient is just a moisturizer of your choice. I like to use this because it is not oily on my face. That is why I decided if I put this on my face after my makeup, it won't slide and it won't be oily. Next is an aloe vera gel. Not only that this contains glycerin, but it also has a lot of benefits that most of you guys know already. Oh, and you will also need a spray bottle, of course. I just taste the water ahead of time. You will only need a little bit because I will fill this up to 1/2 of the bottle, like up to here. Now, I won't make a lot because I like to sanitize my bottle every now and then. So, if I run out, I will just make again. Now, let's start. First, I will put my micellar water. I will put half water and half micellar water. So, if you put 100 ml of water, you will also put 100 ml of micellar water. There. Next is the toner. I will just put 1/3 of how much water or micellar water I put. I will just zoom you guys in. There. Next, I will put the glycerin. I will just add a few drops because I have a tendency to have an oily skin. So, the amount of glycerin is preferential to you guys. If you have really dry skin, you can add more. But if you have oily skin, you can put 5 to 6 drops. In order to control the amount of glycerin to be put, I used the spray and dip it into the glycerin and count the drops that I will be putting in. There, that should be enough, and I will just lightly mix it. By the way, I used lukewarm water in order to have my ingredients easily mixed. Next, I will just add my moisturizer. I will put a little bit of it. Just a few drops, a little goes a long way. There. Next, I will be adding my last ingredient, which is the aloe vera gel. I will just use this spray again to scoop up the aloe vera into the bottle. I will just scoop twice to make my consistency still watery and runny as a setting spray. If you would like to see me use this product as a setting spray after all my makeup is done, stay tuned and wait for my next upload. I will upload a makeup tutorial.